Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install PgAdmin 4 on Ubuntu 22.04. The PgAdmin packages for all Debian-based Linux operating systems are available from the PgAdmin apt repository. Use the following command to add the PgAdmin repository to your Ubuntu system. Then, you can check the contents of the repository file created using the following command. Next, update the package lists. To install PgAdmin 4 packages, run the following commands and provide the correct version number. Apache service should have been started after installation. Next, initiate the Apache web server configuration. This will require you to input PgAdmin 4 user email address and set the password. Agree on the configuration of the Apache web server. Next, if you have a UFW firewall configured, allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic. Now, open your browser and access the following URL. Log in by using a set email address and password. Wait for a few seconds for initialization to complete. On the first page of PgAdmin, add a PostgreSQL server to administer with PgAdmin by clicking on Add New Server. This can be a local or a remote PostgreSQL server. Under the General section, give the server a name and description. Under the Connection tab, provide access details, database host, user, and password. When done, click the Save button to save the configurations. If you were successful in adding the server, the name will appear in the left sidebar. Select the server to see the database summary information and make changes.